Hey, how's it going? So these are the Adidas 4D FWD underscore Pulse. Yeah, there's underscore in there too. So these are running shoes basically, and let's have a look at them. So this is the packaging that it comes in. So one thing I must clarify is that since these are gray market imports, which I buy these shoes from the gray market in because they are not available legally in India. They are not even sold here. So the packaging is, to my understanding, not the what is usually found in other countries. So these are the shoes. Went for the green and black colorway. So the first thing that strikes me is that on the green on the upper, it has a very distinctive pattern, which makes it look something akin to the first thing that it reminds me of is snake skin. It feels like snake skin. It is peeking out from beneath the black that comprises the outer part of the upper. And here is the 3D sole. The whole reason why these shoes cost me about 15,000 Indian rupees. And this is not a full 3D printed sole. So those and that is what the Pulse series stands for. It is not a full 3D printed sole, outsole, midsole. Sorry. So it is only part of the midsole, the backside. Now everything looks extremely solid, well built. The tongue is not gusseted or anything, and I can't actually compress actually compress the 3D printed part with my hand. But maybe if I were to put my full 65 odd kilos on top of it, it should compress and rebound. That's the important part, the rebound. So here is the insole. It is just the regular part of insole and the stitching and everything, and this is how it looks on the feet. Yeah, so in my usual customary way, I'm wearing them with both white socks and black socks so that you can have an idea of what kind of socks you should pair it with. So first impressions, these are extremely comfortable. They feel like but they can take a beating, and also it is extremely roomy. In fact, I feel like I could have gone down half a size from what I usually wear. Slight dislike, the laces are a bit too long, but maybe if I lace them up in the running way, the way that runners do, runners not, then maybe they will be of the perfect length. Uh, Speaking of running, I don't feel like we can actually call the Adidas 4D Pulse or really any of their 3D shoes as actual running shoes. What they are casual running shoes with a lifestyle band. So the Ultra Boost and uh, Ultra 4D liner, all of them I feel are more of a lifestyle shoe that can also do some light running if you are into it. As you can see, there is a divide in the mid, and there is a divide in the outsole, the rubber of the outsole, which I guess is meant to help you flex, to bend the outsole. So yeah, overall I bought this pair of shoes because I really like the aerodynamic profile. I really like their slickness. I like the slickness of all the Adidas Ultra Boost and Ultra 4D models, and this also certainly comes under the same boat. I like their profile, I like their slickness. The only thing that I don't like very much is the um, ankle support, which protrudes a little too much. So yeah, that's about it. The 4D FWD Pulse. Thanks for watching.